Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can delete all your Facebook photos at once. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Facebook application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the homepage of your Facebook, you can directly tap on the profile icon, or you also can tap on three horizontal line on top right side of your screen. There you need to tap on your profile. Inside your profile, you need to tap on three dotted line just beside of edit profile. Here inside profile settings, you need to tap on activity log. Inside activity log, there you can see your post at very first. Just below of it, you tap on manage your post. Now here you need to tap on the filters. There you need to tap on categories. Now here you need to select photos and videos. As you can see, there are two photos that I posted in my Facebook profile. Now here you can either delete the photos individually or you can delete all the photos at once. To delete it one by one, you just need to tap on the tick box just beside of the photo that you want to delete. If you want to delete all the photo at once, you need to tap on the all checkbox. With that, all of the photos will be selected. Then you just need to simply tap on trash button on the bottom left side of the screen. Are you sure want to move the trash? Yes, you tap and move to trash. Items moved to trash will be deleted after 30 days permanently. So you tap and move to trash. And with that, all of your photos on Facebook will be deleted at once. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can delete all your Facebook photos at once. Thank you.